If neck and shoulder pain has been ruining your sleep, this ergonomic memory foam cervical pillow is designed to change that. This pillow features a patented ergonomic contour that closely follows the natural curve of your neck and shoulders. Compared to traditional pillows, it offers a thicker neck contour, an improved hollow center, and built-in massage points that help support, stretch, and relax the cervical spine more efficiently throughout the night. One of its standout features is the adjustable height design. Using the wrong pillow height can lead to headaches, neck pain, shoulder tension, snoring, and poor sleep quality. This pillow solves that problem by offering two different contour heights. Simply rotate the pillow 180 degrees to switch between a higher or lower support level. There's also a removable foam insert at the bottom, giving you even more flexibility to customize your sleeping position. The premium memory foam provides a soft yet supportive feel that absorbs pressure from your head while maintaining its shape over time. This allows your neck and head muscles to fully relax, helping reduce tension and stress so you can fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. The pillow is wrapped in a cooling ice silk fabric that feels gentle on the skin and helps dissipate heat quickly, keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. The breathable pillowcase is removable and machine washable, making it easy to keep fresh and clean. All materials are CertiPURUS and OEKOTEX certified, ensuring they are safe, non-toxic, and free from harmful substances. Designed for side sleepers, back sleepers, and even stomach sleepers, this cervical memory foam pillow offers full-body relaxation and consistent support throughout the night. If you're looking for a comfortable, adjustable, and supportive pillow that can truly improve sleep quality and help relieve neck and shoulder pain, this cervical memory foam pillow is a strong choice. Check the link to learn more.